We are dying. A hungriness is a potential killer. Pay us now. Enough is enough.
What's the what's going on? Drama. On about the Takai, Quadramita Candle. Miss Timuso, what's going on? No drama king. Or it's my movie. You didn't collaborate. Lewen near Jacqua. Or a very masterpiece. Just a big blow baby. Oh, the original how your aunties be.
Enti ene ana yenuamo yaje enso yanto meka yaje zia that meka nurses for us ai yaje alawa no pa enso yanto ai omu ene no abusia ongo pm e Ministry of Health eye Kwabena Candle ni office ekoye demonstration nchirenche e wa Accra Mountain so na abuza demonstration mu no akando be ya de ebu ho no mo e ma nurses for no akeka o ma dwen achira kan je za kan of the agoro wo de luso pop. Memon chire bunu achire wadwe amame e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media meso aso any dim obe like video no da ma subscribe button so be click notification icon for latest updates am be chire wadwe de amame e wo comment section meso aso baso no wa share video mo for so enya bi ahwe empenifo se tufantie enu onwam na tukopo ani oni pen bo mu age so no ankasa na no okosohwe so obi kosohwe na onya suahunu no le tunu for onti ase da jesu do ankasa ko fifi ni ase eko hu sama ze woni liga dochi anza no hu da ke sama wo hono every time Mahama binim no 2013 or the 3 months pay policy ebaye and my nurses for suye demonstration because oya adwuma 3 years na wo panda to abos me ansaka to ada ma that is for suye and anya nya me ncha de bo fie eto ata ye to abase sando na ni wo panda ko tena fie ye go to for election mu ye ka say nurses for bu hey o na kwen ya mo sei ebeda no kwan munya abotere what else here but naja o kanu mu sheko butunu guso kwe ye kwa botun kwa say hu say alawa ba ye almost ni mu ye video alawa na ni ya jensu ya nto ya jalawa lo so clàsh ya nto ma mo bo bia o kwati na fie ya nto ma no kwansima na yato na Mahama ewe no pana ba ye ko no pana nika province o ba automatic posting I can tell her obetu alawa obetu ni we posted nurse say we say o ma ye adwuma firi mu nyina 10 months ni January to year October mu 10 months ni we say o munya ahwe afiri mu nyina o munya ahwe the last 3 weeks no tamale omunika ye demonstration e wo hom na busia ene no obuko pm e wo Ministry of Health the headquarters eye Kwabena Candle the office e ho eno ni demonstration change e ko share so
We are hungry. 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 We are dying. We are dying. We are dying. We are dying.
We are not machines. You should pay us. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Arrears.
We are going to
arrears.
We as the health workers, we don't get something to feed on. The government should listen to us.
Emma omu kuma in fact no much can de ebi emu yapa.
We are just pleading on the government to pay us. We've been working for 10 good months, no salary. Personally, my rent expired in 15th August. I've not been able to pay. My landlord is always asking, when are you paying? I'll be like, they'll pay us, please give me time. I stay at Spantine. I wake up Kolebu. I take transportation, 42 cities to work every day. How do they expect me to get that money to come to work? You go to work, doctors will write, check patients' vitals, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, do arrears, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You bath patients, you tend patients every 4 hours. I'm doing all this just for the minister to tell me that he appreciates the work that I'm doing. Appreciation, babe. I don't understand. Which form of appreciation? How can somebody work and you tell the person I appreciate you for 10 good months? I can't stand it. I'm owing rent. What should I do to be able to pay my rent? I don't understand. They should pay us. Enough is enough. I'm tired. Enough is enough. They kept my rent as so 15. What the crowd? I don't know. You can't even ask somebody for money. The moment you test somebody, the person will be like, "You are coming for money," and the person will be giving you excuses. To be a
imagine since 2017, my school till now, and as I speak right now. The NSS, Mimi area, me and Pikachu me say because of Sikawe, me and Pikachu me say me to I should go and tell my colleagues again to I enjoy. And so when yes, I can mention his name. On a was and stop watching. Back to my MP. Yes, he told me that. Says he can't ma. That's yen swab yen to I enjoy. Please, we've had enough.
Enough is enough. Pay us now.
Yeah, nkwa na mudi free baby aba. Eh say mo ma aduane di. Na adan na ya ba beta ya adwuma busumi du adan. Ya nya Ghana fo biem. Ana eh boni say obekọ school awie, say opese obeye nurse ni, obeye midwife. Midwife any nurses, and ya adwuma okọ health edi kan buy. Enso ya adwuma ya de kwa ya mmobo. Ya tire covid mrem. Ya wie covid mrem no. Ya tena fie 4 years. 4 years ya san ba adwuma. Ya ye adwuma bosume maku du. Aden ya boni. Ode say aye boni bi ntina muntu ayeka. Mon kan kire. Say aye boni a ana say ya ade bi enye a ejina so ntina muntu ayeka. Mon kan kire. Na say be kofia. Me say mi fiewura watu me. Say me free I say me kofie. Me kofie because me kwada infa. Oh. Aden. Na what is it? Me did it.
A hungriness is a potential killer. Pay us now. A hungriness is a potential killer. We are dying. A hungriness is a potential killer. Pay us now. Enough is enough. Is it a crime to be a nurse in Ghana? Nurses deserve better. Enough is enough. Pay us now.
We nya dia ya print mu ana bibi ya adwuma ya ye ehun tika ne ye yen ka se bia mo ebusa na to mu ana ya adwuma 10 months no eti at amani
patients why we cannot feed ourselves. We plead for urgent action from your office to be taken. As I stand here, we have 2 colleagues here with me, one on my right, one on my left. This my colleague just underwent a surgery and we are still trying to settle the bills. We are here to complete the bills. This my colleague leader here, she's an asthmatic patient. Every month she buys this inhaler 3 times. 300 Ghana cedis. Every month she buys 3 times in a month. Our people are dying and we have worked honestly. To end everything, I would want to quote the words of our President, His Excellency John Mahama, during the recent UN General Assembly meeting. He stated that the slave trade is the biggest crime ever against humanity. And I am standing on behalf of my people to say that this is a modern day slave trade, and this is the greatest crime any leader can do to the people of the country, the citizens and health workers to be precise. We are therefore pleading with the leadership to take urgent action now. If not, we are dying and our healthcare system is falling apart. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. We are dying. 10 months, no salary.
Thank you. Good morning.
Me being a lady, I'll have to take care of my hair once in a while. If you can't be in here, it's a mini makocha. Why no way here? Why no way here? And a bear and a crown or no crash in it's a man or man or how do I feed myself? How do I pay my bills? Me fear a credit to me, December, I'm a renter son. Or to me, I make what I hear. Me friend, me quit my factors too in my quaduma. It's a driver and me for day in Tianica. And then I'm in Penyah. We are struggling. Just say, yeah, we are health professionals. We are preaching balanced diet. Oh, eat well, eat fruits. Then, not many eat it once a day. Now, man, me sure that. And yeah, what education am I giving my clients?
Ourselves, we are not able to cater for ourselves, not even a 3 square meal. All that we are asking is that the government should pay us now. We can't be on the wards and then advise patients to be eating at least 3 times a day to be healthy. Meanwhile, we ourselves, we cannot even afford 2 square meals. We need our pay. Thank you.
Very sad. The situation that we are in is very sad. These politicians have to be better than that. Come back off this level. And you are saying that
It has never been heard before. Expired financial clearance. It has never been heard before. Yes, financial clearance doesn't expire. Whoever initiated it can bring it back to life.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Where is Basantali getting his money from to pay the youth?
Said what? Oh, I never said anything.
Basantali recruited almost 2,000 youths, and then they are being paid. We've been working for 10 good months, and you are telling us there's no money in the country. Why should we get money to work? Why should we get money to work? You are being paid for 10 good months after being in office. And you're telling us there's no money in the country. So which money are you being paid with? We aren't going to work until we are paid. Simple as that.
Our money. We need money to go to work. We can never go to work without a TNT. And a TNT is being paid with money. We need our money to feed ourselves, to fend for ourselves, to get the energy to cater for our patients at the ward. How can we attend to patients when we are not eating? How can we do that? Where do we get that energy from? We have to get that energy from the food that we eat. But here is the case, we do not have money to buy food for ourselves.
Pay us now. Pay us now. Accommodate. Yeah, bleh. Abba. 9 months, over 9 months. Yeah, Jumasa, Munjaka, yeah, father, Nendity. If you're around for 2 years, yeah, yellow crown, yes, you can cry out there. Say, see, I'd rather be free hospital by you. Peptic ulcer, my ulcer, then I'm in the best. Abba. Yeah, Juma 9 months, and then I am fine. Munjaka, ready,
Na brother was a minta candle. A health minister, you know. Opina or bet you amount for petition. Na minta candle everybody just say demonstration. Oh, course no. Or no, they are done read them or they are done jama. No, they chubo me. I can't do you serious. Just say, I dare serious. Oh, what is on that? Me that down the answer. What I do was say, what you read the near. Nobody go, yeah, we hope you both. I'm never ready. And then later, me that come on with three. You know who didn't any OTA or more. I
am a man enough. I never cry, but today I can't control myself, Honorable Minister. Honorable Minister, I can't control myself. I am in the person of Stephen Kwajote. I stand here on behalf of 6,500 nurses and midwives across the length and breadth of Ghana. Honorable, we came here to submit a petition to your high office. But before the petition, Honorable, I want to ask these questions. Are we citizens of Ghana?
We are slaves.
Honorable, are we being cared for?
We are slaves.
Who cares for the caregiver, Honorable?
Nobody.
How would the leaders feel if we travel to a foreign country for the president or the leaders there to treat us this way, Honorable? How would our own leaders feel if somebody employs us in a foreign land and the person maltreats us this way? Before I read the petition to you, Honorable, I want to quote our Honorable or His Excellency John Mahama during the recent UN General Assembly. He made a statement that the slave trade is the greatest crime ever against humanity. I want to put it on record that what is being done to us is a modern day slave trade. And this is the greatest crime any leader would do to their employees.
Na said Minta Kando, Esiba, Health Minister, Honorable. Said you was Siba, yeah, no boy, body so, yeah, Minta, pay us the Minta, pay us the Minta, all the students out bodies to this Sabbath. Nurse Fonsi David Minta, I grow in so. Just say, well, you're comedian, a different when your position as minister, well, you're comedian, hey, Munina did not know Kojon Cancer, and go casket now, what that cabinet, what I said, Kubuko casket, no. Minister, I didn't know.
What's going on? Drama. Honorable Intaka, Pablo Mitakando, Mr. Muso, what's going on? No drama came. Or it's my movie. You did not collaborate. Lewin Jacoa, or a very masterpiece. Just say a big blow baby. Oh, the original how your aunties be. I say, as why I am what was my politician. Why you saw better who said, Lebra. What about time? Yanchoka can't go here. Can't go here. Can't go here. The brother, no one about you. Me national service, but in the music, I'm at that. Me travel somewhere so paya. Sikanama, and you are supposed to me 10 months. Music cancer, I die. And you are posting the on to me here. My co-controller to me sick at Obianje. Name of Ministry of Health for Mona was some activating me biometric. Me chakwa. Ministry for now, bros, how we're so shame. And a coprinty way, me printing in a but in the music. Me there are what's not saying. I posted me 10 months and then Chamika. Now, some music and national service. No, any panagia dear. Yami bet Suyanica. Yami bet Suyanica. Or bet Suyanica.
Agency and nurses for no. I know money then is too much. Musuma, my ye, aye. Kakrako many I say. I'm almost young and by force. Chirawajo, mammy, comment section. I Penyah Media.